Hi, in this tutorial we'll learn how to install Social Login Pro extension. After purchasing this extension, you will be redirected to the download page, which will look something like the page which is already opened on my screen. From here, download the extension according to your opencart version. For example, I'm using 3.0.3.2, so I'll be downloading this. There are 4 versions available over here. One is for 3.0 and above for all themes. Another one is for 3.0 and above specifically for General 3.3. One is for opencart version above 2.0 specifically for General theme. And the last one is for opencart version 2.0 and above for all themes. As I'm using 3.0.3.2, so I'll be downloading this version. As you can see, the extension is getting downloaded. Once the extension is downloaded, now go to your opencart admin. As you can see, I have already logged into my opencart admin, and here you can see the version is 3.0.2.0. So let's start and let's try installing this extension in our opencart. So first of all, click on extensions and installer. As you must be knowing, we use installer to install extensions. As you can see, we are into the extensions installer. Here, what you need to do is click on the upload button and select the downloaded extension. Now, as you can see, the extension is being uploaded, and this may take 10 to 20 seconds to upload. So, as you can see, the extension has successfully installed. And here in the install history, you can see the file name BlueCommerce Social Login, and there the extension complete name. You can see it over here. So, as you can see, the extension is already installed. Now you need to do some minor steps. Go to modifications, refresh it. It's a kind of general procedure we do whenever we install an extension. So now let's go to the extension and check the features. Click on extensions, click on modules, and here you can see BlueCommerce Social Login. Now click on the screen button. Now click on edit, and here you are inside the extension. Here you can see many options in the settings. There is icon size, status. This is where you'll set up your Facebook social login. This is for Twitter social login, this is for Google social login, and this is for LinkedIn social login. So the people who have purchased the Pro version, they'll get all 4 social login, and the people who have downloaded the free version, they'll only get the Google login and the Twitter login. So that's all. To know how to set up these Facebook, Twitter, Google and LinkedIn login, kindly go to our next video. There we will tell you how to set up each of them and how to enable your social login. Thank you.